This is she, folks. Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn here. Yes, Jennifer E. Strawn, DBA LDAMS, LDAMS, the acronym for my firm, Legal Document Assistance and Multi Services. And yes, folks, today is November 2nd, 2024. Already the second day of November 2024, and welcome new month of November. Yes, I am happy. I am actually in the land of happiness. I survived the year so far. I am at year 58 of my life, and so in December next month I'll be celebrating another birthday, and so I have come a long way. Everyone has grown a year older this year, and I'm certainly welcoming November as I usually do welcome each month. I know on my Facebook page I had gotten into a habit of welcoming each month. And even though I hadn't posted such updates on the months, uh, still in my brain and in my heart and in the calendar and just in my daily life, I am cognizant of the fact is this is a new month, and every 30 days, 31 days, the month changes, right? We have a new month. So, welcome November. And again, everyone, I'm reminding the general public and also my colleagues in the legal field, lawyers and attorneys, I am open for business, open for work, open to do work, open to do business, open for work. And as a reminder, I am a paralegal, legal assistant, legal technician, notary, marketing services provider, advertising services provider, business consultant, and actually, my firm, Legal Document Assistance and Multi Services, is a multi services firm. So I am a multi services firm. I do wear multiple hats in my business, which is how I like my business, and which is how I've grown my business, and this is my niche. My business is exactly the way I need, want, and require my business. And I've actually designed this is by through and via and because of my own designs. And this is how I've designed my business. I'm not speaking about placement of the, things in the office, in my office, but really my business methods and the way my business is shaped, my niche. Um, Understanding people will understand, right? Well, let me just mention instead of shape, I'll just say my business is structured. Okay, so I corrected myself. And I haven't lost anyone, and no one hasn't lost me, right? Because I'm right. Right, correct is right. Usually when I lose people or when people lose me, and I haven't had such happen, um, because that would mean I'm lost somewhere, and I don't ever want to feel lost or made to feel as if I was ever lost, but I've never been lost. I've just been in my own journey, really and truly. Truth be told, no lies. I've been in my in my journey, in my um, continuing in education and working and minding my own business, my own shop, um, and paying taxes in America where I reside. I reside and do business. So I've never really been lost. I've just been out of sight in my own mind and minding my own business and in out of your sight, but I've been watching myself, minding my own business, watching my own manners, seeing, looking at my own manners, being introspective. And as I watch out and at a lot of you, there's more of you all than the eye could ever miss. So, but a lot of you went astray, And so now I'm putting on my business consultant hat, and I'm talking about your businesses, um, your inquiries. A lot of your businesses went astray, and so as a business consultant, I'm speaking here right now. A lot of times I do speak in a business consultant capacity, wearing my business consultant hat, as I see businesses as I was called, and sometimes, a lot of times, threatened. And as I was called via phone, real phone, to for information, a lot of your businesses uh, did go astray as I was working towards my own in my own capacity. A lot of your businesses did go astray, and it became very, very heavy on the EARS, my two EARS, and I only have 2 years. It became very heavy and very serious, and that a lot of it is what a lot of your businesses, because you all were astray, and a lot of you still are astray and estranged. You all are strangers to me. Many of people, acquaintances that I didn't know too. I mean, I know people that are just strange, beyond strange now, because things, the markets went astray, and females. There was a bitchiness in the markets, and I know there's a saying about such and such is a real bitch, huh? They're real bitches. It's not just one; it's a lot of them. They're real bitches, and that is because, lo and behold, money doesn't bring happiness. Not money alone. Kids doesn't make happy. And if you're unhappy and not a happy birther, you're certainly not going to have happy kids. And that and that is how you all have it. There you all have it. You all have tons of money. You all were wrong, and then you all were wrongly advocated for. And so now what you all have, and you know who you are, because you have kids and you have money. So you were wrongly advocated for. The first thing you did was to wrongly bring kids into the space in the world, in America. And then the second thing you did was to grow it wrong and encourage it and direct it to attack persons who have own life and business, such as myself. So you have tons of money with wayward, strayed, waste, a waste. You don't want to call your kids waste, but that's what it is. But all it could do all day and all night is to attack one particular person, or any number of particular of people, or just one person, Jesus H. Christ, Lord God, on the cross. That's a waste of time and money. And the monies came from where? Taxpayers' pocket. So that's real bitchiness in existence. And I've been looking at it. I saw it in my capacity as a business consultant, as a legal assistant, paralegal, in all measures, in all areas. I saw it all. And you know who you are. And you all cannot deny the fact. You may have mouths. You feel you can say, no, 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 I didn't, you have mouths. Of course, you're going to try and say something else than what occurred, which has been your your lifestyles, and your narratives and your tales and your stories. But the fact of the matter is, the evidence exists, and how do you all fix that now? I don't know. I really don't know. Um, I couldn't reach out and touch, just as you all couldn't reach out and touch my business, but you felt that you had my name in your mouths, and that you can carry on my name as grab onto my name and pull me from out of my own journey. But I didn't succumb to such, and I am thankful and grateful for this life. My parents, my own personal parents, created my own individual person. I am Jennifer E. Strawn, and I made a business for myself, legal document assistance and multi services, wherein I am offering services, rendering services. So I am available for hire, HIRE. If you'd like to discuss a lot of the problems that you have going on in your lives, you can contact me for business consultant services. And also, if you need legal technician to assist with documents you have for completion, I'm a paralegal, also legal assistant. I also offer marketing services and advertising services. So my phone number to contact me is 347-693-4437, and my email address is jenniferestrawn.ldams@workmail.com. And yes, her name is she is Jennifer E. Strawn. Her mother created her and named her Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn. Her mother and father named her Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn. So she goes by the pronouns she and her and I and me. I am Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn. So call me at the numbers and the email address I provided for you to call me. I'm hoping for, well, I'm not hoping. If it never happens, then it never happened because I never got a decent uh, potential customers that turn into anything good. So there are more questions than answers, and there are more bad than good. I mean, things I couldn't even touch. Is that what the markets are trying to tell me? But I never get something that pans out to be a solid lead, a solid potential customer. So the markets are telling me it's really, really very terrible. It's horrible. And it's real bitchiness. That is what I said initially. And that is true. A lot of the markets is real bitchiness. And a lot of it is their personal lives. They have the kids. They're not married. The men didn't marry them. The men are not interested in the kids nor marriage. And they have tons of money they were wrongly advocated for. And it's just a huge mess. And it's the markets are still saying to any one single individual that it's real bitchiness based upon their own personal wrongdoings. How is anyone else, any other businesses surviving the markets? I don't know the secrets to anybody else's. A lot of people are on the internet selling and courses and marketing and doing all sorts of programs, but how are they getting their clients and customers is beyond me. You see, I'm not in their shoes, they're not in my shoes. And so I am just doing my business one day at a time, doing this correct. And if I never get a customer, then that's what the market is. It's real bitchiness, right? That's what it's telling us, those of us who aren't getting any customers. And that's really bad. That's a sad, sad statement about the markets. And so whenever I see it and I hear it, my own two ears and my eyesight envision it, I know. I will know what to do. I'm just saying, I will know what to do. But the markets can keep its bitchiness to itself, right? Is that what the markets are doing? Keeping its bitchiness to itself and going down to the competition, so-called competition? Because some businesses are raking in the monies. Because some businesses are raking in the monies. And then on the other hand, some businesses aren't. And that has to stop. The over advocating for wrongs has to stop, and some sense of justice must prevail, because the wrongness is killing small business owners such as myself. It really, really is. And the wrongness all must stop sooner rather than later.